Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with a fashion styling video. Styling outfits something I really love, and especially bodycon dresses are my favorite. And there is this fashion rule that bodycon dresses are only for like hourglass figure, but I just don't give a damn. If you like it, you wear it, and that's what I believe in. So today I'm here to show you guys 15 ways to style your bodycon dresses, and this is the particular dress that I'm going to show you today. This is from Shopee. I'll link everything down below in the description box. You can check them out. You can wear any bodycon dresses for all this styling method. It could be anything. Just make sure it's a very basic simple bodycon dress without any design or something. Just a very basic spaghetti strap dress would do amazing. Just because I couldn't find that, I'm just here with this one right now. So from the 15 different ways to style these bodycon dresses, I'm going to show you 2 ways on just using this dress and accessorizing them differently for different occasion, and the rest 13 is going to be completely different outfit. So now enough of blabbering, and now without further ado, let's get into the video to see 15 ways to style your bodycon dresses. For the first casual look, I've accessorized the bodycon dress with a maroon velvet belt bag to give a contrast statement to the outfit, and paired with a studded sneaker. This look is a very easy breezy anytime outing kind of a look, which just gives a very comfy vibe. For the second look, which is a party look, I have accessorized with a statement piece of necklace to dress up the whole outfit, and I've also paired with a silver rhinestone clutch to complement the jewelry. I've also paired a cut-out boots just to elevate the look more and give more of a party vibe, and this pair of boots just make the entire outfit look super stylish. For a perfect edgy stylish look, leather jacket is all what we need. So for this particular look, I've paired leather jacket on top of the bodycon dress and paired it with the studded boots to perfectly elevate the edginess in this look. To give a contrast of color, I've paired a red crocodile embossed handbag with the red lips to complement each other and just give a statement of color to it. For the fourth style, I'm pairing the dress with a denim jacket and denim shoes, which is the easiest way to elevate the dress more but still keeping it perfect for a casual day out. I completed the look with a backpack to make this look great for traveling. For the next look, I've paired with a very basic pink t-shirt, but I tied a knot at the side just to make it much more stylish and also to make them look cropped. I paired a black and gold belt bag in sideways to bring that celebrity street style vibe to this look. To add more glam, I've paired studded boots and also added sunglasses to give the perfect high fashion street style look. For the next look, I've paired with a blue velvet shirt. You could totally use any long sleeve shirts that you have. To completely change the vibe into a party vibe, I've kept them off the shoulder and tie a knot at the center to make it look like a perfect fashionista kind of a look. I've paired cutout boots to make the entire look more stylish, and I've also kept the hair in a bun with a drop pearl earrings to accessorize the upper part. And to add more party vibe to the look, I've paired this silver clutch to instantly scream party vibe to the look. And this look is totally high street glam look. I paired an oversized yellow sweater on top of the bodycon dress. Oversized sweaters work the best because you can easily tie them on, and that is what I did in this particular look. I've tied them. Then I paired them with thigh-high boots, which just add perfect glamness to the street style, just like the celebrity fashion vibes. I completed the look with a sunglass just to elevate the look more and make it much more stylish. For this look, I've paired a red halter neck crop top on top of the bodycon dress. Just because my bodycon is halter neck, I could only use high neck tops, but if you use a spaghetti strap bodycons, any crop top will do their job. I've paired a black Carolina simple sling bag with a pointed pump, which gives a very office formal kind of vibe, and they also give a very professional look as well. For the ninth look, I've paired with a green neon sleeveless shirt. Any downsized shirt would do this job for this particular look. So make sure they are not like perfect for your body. They should be downsized. That means you shouldn't be able to button up the shirt. So that's how the look turned out right now. So as I said, there is no any button ups, but I accentuated the waist with a gold belt to just put together the shirt and the entire look together and make it look much more dressed up. And I also paired a basic black pointed pump to give a formal look to this entire outfit. And the next way to style bodycon dress is by pairing up with any mesh tops or with any mesh dresses. For this look, I've used my white mesh tops and tied at the side, and I paired them with a denim sling bag to give them a very casual kind of a vibe. And I also paired with a black studded sneaker to give a very comfy feel so that I could wear this outfit for a casual day out. For this look, I've paired the bodycon dress with a flat mesh skirt to give a gown feel, but you can totally add any skirt, be it pencil skirt or a flat skirt. I give this look a party feel to it, so I dressed it up with a black and gold statement necklace, gold sling bag and gold heels. This perfectly add glitters to this simple black dress and made them great for parties and night outs. This is a very formal look which is perfect for meetings or office. I've paired a black blazer. You can totally pair any color blazer with this black bodycon dress. They would look amazing, but try to keep the accessories simple and black just to make the blazer a statement piece if you're using blazers other than black. But here, since I used a black blazer, I made the red handbag a statement piece out of the black and black look, which I've also paired with the black pumps, so that the red color from the handbag is going to give a pop of color and give color to the look. Just to give the black tops a little something, I added a simple chain to just enhance the look more and make it much more formal. This is a wrap top that I got from Shopee. You can tie it any ways to make them look interesting. So I pair them with this bodycon dress by wrapping them off the shoulder and tying them at the side. Since the red is making a statement in this outfit, I kept the handbag black and also pairing them with the black cutout boots, which would make the look even more glamorous because the cutout boots add a lot of stylish element to the entire outfit. And here is an unusual way to style your bodycon dress. You can use any statement piece scarf to enhance the way your bodycon is. I used this ruffle purple scarf. I've just wore them from the neck and I accentuated at the waist with a black and gold belt. To create a night out or a party vibe, I added a pearl clutch and finished the look with the gold heels. These things totally elevate the looks into a perfect night out outfit just with the simple elements. Last but not the least, you can also make your bodycon dress into a churidar. So if you wanted an Indian outfit, you're always ready with a bodycon dress. I've paired the black bodycon dress with the black leggings and a statement Banarasi silk dupatta. You can totally pair with any statement dupattas by keeping the leggings and the bodycon dress plain, so they would totally look super elegant and the dupatta would totally be stealing the show. I wore a polki earring to give a more Indian look to the outfit, and I paired a gold and rhinestone studded clutch and a golden heels to complement my dupatta. And that's all the 15 ways to style your bodycon dress. You can totally style them as per your mood, and I hope you got some ideas to style them with your own personal touch. If you love this video, then please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.